This year, as the weather warms up, why not take your grilling skills up a notch as well? The Char-Broil Amplifire Cruise Digital Gas Grill, a Lowe's exclusive, brings together distinctive design, handy features, and the latest grilling technology. Let's start with the innovation that makes this grill the first of its kind. Cruise control technology lets you set and maintain a cooking temperature from start to finish using the digital control dial rather than the high, medium, low knobs of a typical grill. The color-coded status indicators even let you know when your grill is preheating and when it's good to go. All of this gives you grilling control like you've never had before. The Cruise also features the Amplifier cooking system that not only prevents flare-ups, but helps you grill juicier foods. And there's more innovation even when you're done grilling. With the push of a button, Auto Clean Mode does the dirty work, cleaning your grill after every session. So, if this is the kind of grill that sparks your culinary interest, order it today on Lowes.com or check availability at your local store. Get the full story on the Char-Broil Amplifier Cruise Digital Gas Grill at the link below.